Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them to like.
So here's how the hair looks straight out the box, guys. I absolutely love that the hair comes pre-curled. As a girly who struggles with curling hair sometimes, this is everything and more, and I absolutely appreciate that from UNice. So here's how the hair looks straight out the box. This is a 7x5 lace frontal. They did include these stick-on tabs which says bye-bye knots. However, usually I like to use this when I'm doing a full frontal, but since this is a 7x5, I don't think I will be needing them because this is glueless. And girl, I know some of my girls struggle with gluing on that wig, so here is your solution. Here's how the lace looks. 7x5. It's really giving 9x6. I like how big the spacing is. It's giving 9x6, but here's how the wig looks. The construction of the wig, it's a 7x5. The hair is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut. So if you have a problem with cutting lace, don't worry, they've already done that for you. I love how transparent this lace is, and I love the fact that there are no knots in sight. Okay, no knots. Thank you. They say bye-bye knots. We love that. And because the wig is a glueless, they've also included this elastic band which comes onto here. I like for my glueless wigs to be nice and snug, so I'm definitely going to attach mine here, and voila, here's how it goes. So you can adjust this according to your head size. Now babe, I'm a little bit on the bigger head side, so I like to have it small like this. Then it's going to make my wig remain snug, tight. It will not fall off. So let's get to installing. I love this Balayage Highlight. I think it also goes very well with my top, but let me not get too excited before I can put on the hair. I just like to see the vision before I even start to put the hair on my head, and already I can see the vision. Thank you so much to UNice for sponsoring this video. I'm now going to just tint the lace. I like to tint the lace so that it actually matches my skin color. Just as the hair is advertised, it's wear and go, you're good to go. So you just slap the wig on your head and you're good to go. Like I always say, guys, I like to show you the wig after I've installed it before doing any other thing to the hair. I want to give you a realistic install, just straight out of the packet. If you just wear the wig on, you just do a few things like I did. So all I did was I just put some mousse on the front here on the hairline like that. I just put my contour powder and I put mousse just to make it or give it that natural look. And this is how it came out. So this is just straight out the box. I have not yet combed through my curls, but this is how the curls are currently. I'm just going through the hair with my fingers like this, and this is how it looks without me doing too much, you know. So as a wear and go kind of girly, a glueless kind of girly who does not want to do too much to your hair, you could call it a day, just like this. Just going to take a comb and go through the curls. Okay, they're still maintaining their curl. Love that. I love the volume. I really love the volume. It's so bouncy. This hair is really, really bouncy. Can you see? It just curls back because it's a body wave. It's 180% density. I absolutely love the volume. Now that I've combed out the curls on one side, let's come this side. I kind of knew that this color would actually look so good on my skin tone. Girl, now girl, I actually knew that I'm gonna like this color on my skin tone. It's definitely giving everything it should give, girl. Everything it should give. And I love the volume. I really, really love the volume that the hair currently is in. And the great part is that it's still very much glueless. It is still very much glueless. No adhesives, no glue, nothing. Wear and go. I know I'm two-toned because my makeup, and I obviously put on mousse over here and obviously did take away my makeup. That's fine, but nobody knows that because it's all under here. Absolutely, absolutely love that. Now girl, you know me, I'm not going to just leave it here. I like a little bit of razzle dazzle. I like a little bit of drama. I'm gonna go ahead and add some baby hairs to this hair and see how else I can style it. Now guys, I am not a side part hun, but are we gonna have a moment for the side part though? It is eating. It's just a freehand side part because I was just playing with the hair trying to see what styles I can come up with. And when I took it to the side, I said, girl, a little side part moment for this hair because what? This is gorgeous. I just love the volume. I'm a middle part buzz down kind of babe, but this is eating. I absolutely love the side part. We are done, guys, but I'm gonna take it back to where it really belongs, which is here. This is the style that I was actually going for, a middle part as the hair came in. I absolutely love this hair. I love how it's so easy to work with. The hair is a body wave, so it holds a curl. Guys, we're absolutely done. I love this hair. I love how it holds a curl. I love the fullness of it all. I get into how thick it is. I love it. I really love it. Like, I love it. I love it. Remember, this is a glueless wig. It's a 7x5. This is bye knots, so you're definitely not going to find any knots. There are no knots inside. I just love how it holds a curl. The curls here are the curls that the hair came with. The only thing I did was cut layers and I did my little, sweepity whoop. Absolutely love it. It's giving grown, it's giving grown. I love how it's bouncing off my skin tone so nicely. It's also going very well with the color of my top, so absolutely love that. Thank you so much, UNice, for sending me this hair. Guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and making it this far. I hope you did enjoy this install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.